It's your serve, Betty. Hey, happy hour. Oh, good try, Betty. Good try. All right. Happier hour.
That's the one you work on, Bonnie. I know that. Yeah, right.
Hey, good morning. How are you today, Tony? I like your shirt. Not all who wander is lost. That's out. All right, it's your serve now, Kelly. I'm teaching a lesson today. Teaching pickleball kitchen plank.
Oh, okay. It's supposed to stay in the kitchen.
Who served that? Didn't Kelly serve that?
Yeah, I went out back there. It was on. Oh, it was on the line.
Okay, it's your serve, Kelly. You keep serving, Kelly.
Yeah, we switched.
5-4-2.
Hey, we were both ready for it.
6-4-2.
Here's your,
Oh, thank you.
really clean.
Did you get any pick any up?
No, but that's
6-4-2.
That'll be okay. Busy on the tennis courts today.
Huh?
It's busy on the tennis courts today.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good day. You know,
That was
less
out.
than usual.
All right, Annie, serve. Switch. Switch.
I'm standing at the kitchen line, so when it does come on, I have to back up. Yeah, back when you're receiving that 5-5-1.
Now see, Betty's standing back too far.
Boy.
I know it's pretty bad today. Good eye, good eye. Oh, nice shot, Betty. Switch and keep serving. What's the score? 8?
8-5.
8-5-2. Nine, 5-2. Watch that ball into your paddle, Bonnie, and keep a firm grip. Nice. Look at that. Very nice. Oh, good eye. Okay, your serve, Bonnie. 5-9. Okay, you're punching and not tossing. You come from here and do this. Do a complete toss. The whole arm goes through. You're just doing this. Okay? No, 5-9. 5-9. 6. All right, 7. Switch and keep serving, Kelly. 7-9-2. Eye on the ball, baby. Eye on the ball. Here we go. Out. Good try. Here we go. 8. 2 inches. 2 inches, Bonnie. Oh, that was out. Good try, Betty. Good try. Corners, Betty. Corners, Betty. Yep. 992. 992. Oh, that was on the line. That was a good shot, Betty. Okay. Side out. Betty serve. 991. Smell the paddle. Smell the paddle. Oh, okay. Good try. Your serve, Annie. Oh, that would have been out, Betty. You saved her. All right, side out. 2 inches. 2 inches, Bonnie. 2 inches. 991. Nice footwork, ladies. Nice footwork. Good try. Good try, Bonnie. All right, your serve, Bonnie. Here we go. 992. Nice. Oh, good get though, Kelly. Nice get. Good try. All right, your serve, Betty. Side out. Betty serve.
Good job.
Out. Your serve, Annie. 992. Nice. Stay up there. Stay up there. Be ready. Be ready. Nice, Betty. Nice, Betty. All right, your serve, Bonnie. Bonnie serve. There we go. Kelly serve that.
Are we still at 9-9? Yeah.
That's out. All right, 10-9. Game point. Nice. 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 Oh! Side out. Nice playing, Betty. I love the corners. I love the corners. Good job. All right, 9-10-1. Here we go. Nice. Nice. Oh! Betty, watch that ball. Watch that ball. This is what you're doing. You lift your head right before you hit it. Now watch the ball into your paddle. Here we go.
9-10-2.
Ah, good try. Here we go. Game point. 10-9-1. Here we go.
10-9-1.
Out. Good eye, Betty. All right, your serve, Kelly. Your serve, Kelly. 10-9-2. Here we go.
10-9-2.
Nice. Good job, Bonnie. Good job to go behind her, Bonnie. That's game?
That's game.
That's game. That paddle will say good game.
Very good.